Welcome to AI Unraveled, the podcast that demystifies frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence and keeps you up to date with the latest AI trends. Join us as we delve into groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From the latest trends in ChatGPT and the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind to the exciting developments in generative AI, we've got you covered with a comprehensive update on the ever-evolving AI landscape. In today's episode, we'll cover the top 8 AI landing page generators, including Lamp Builder and Mixo, the features and limitations of 60sec and Lindo, the options provided by Durable, Butternut AI, and 10Web, the services offered by Hostingur for WordPress hosting, the latest advancements from Meta, Hugging Face and OpenAI in AI models and language understanding, collaborations between Microsoft and Epic in healthcare, COBOL to Java translation by IBM, Salesforce's investment in Hugging Face, the language support provided by ElevenLabs, podcasting by Wondercraft AI, and the availability of the book, AI Unraveled. Lamp Builder and Mixo are 2 AI landing page generators that can help you quickly test your startup ideas. Let's take a closer look at each. Lamp Builder stands out for its free custom domain hosting, which is a major advantage. It also offers a speedy site preview and the ability to edit directly on the page, saving you time. The generated copy is generally good, and you can make slight edits if needed. The selection of components includes a hero section, call to action, and features section with icons. However, testimonials, FAQ, and contact us sections are not currently supported. Lamp Builder provides best-fit illustrations and icons with relevant color palettes, but it would be even better if it supported custom image uploading or stock images. The call to action button is automatically added, and you can add a link easily. While the waiting list feature is not available, you can use the call to action button with a tally form as a workaround. Overall, Lamp Builder covers what you need to test startup ideas, and upcoming updates will include a waiting list, more components, and custom image uploads. On the other hand, Mixo doesn't offer free custom domain hosting. You can preview an AI-generated site for free, but to edit and host it, you need to register and subscribe for $9/month. Mixo makes setting up custom hosting convenient by using a third party to authenticate with popular DNS providers. However, there may be configuration errors that prevent your site from going live. Mixo offers a full selection of components, including a hero section, features, testimonials, waiting list, call to action, FAQ, and contact us sections. It generates accurate copy on the first try, with only minor edits needed. The AI also adds images accurately, and you can easily choose from stock image options. The call to action is automatically added as a waiting list input form, and waiting list email capturing is supported. Overall, Mixo performs well and even includes bonus features like adding a logo and a rating component. The only downside is the associated cost for hosting custom domains. In conclusion, both Lamp Builder and Mixo have their strengths and limitations. Lamp Builder is a basic but practical option with free custom domain hosting and easy on-page editing. Mixo offers more components and bonus features, but at a cost for hosting custom domains. Choose the one that best suits your needs and budget for testing your startup ideas. So let's compare these 2 AI-generated website platforms, 60sec and Lindo AI. When it comes to a free custom domain, both platforms offer it, but there's a slight difference in cost. 60sec provides it with a 60sec branded domain, while Lindo AI offers a Lindo branded domain for free, but a custom domain will cost you $10/month with 60sec and $7/month with Lindo AI. In terms of speed, both platforms excel at providing an initial preview quickly. That's always a plus when you're eager to see how your website looks. AI-generated copy is where both platforms shine. They are both accurate and produce effective copy on the first try, so you're covered in that department. When it comes to components, Lindo AI takes the lead. It offers a full selection of elements like the hero section, features, testimonials, waiting list, call to action, FAQ, contact us, and more. On the other hand, 60sec supports a core set of critical components, but testimonials and contact us are not supported. Images might be a deal breaker for some. 60sec disappointingly does not offer any images or icons, and it's not possible to upload custom images. Lindo AI, however, provides the option to choose from open source stock images and even generate images from popular text-to-image AI models. They've got you covered when it comes to visuals. Both platforms have a waiting list feature and automatically add a call to action as a waiting list input form. However, 60sec does not support waiting list email capturing, while Lindo AI suggests using a tally form as a workaround. In summary, 60sec is easy to use, looks clean, and serves its core purpose. It's unfortunate that image features are not supported unless you upgrade to the advanced plan. On the other hand, Lindo AI creates a modern-looking website with a wide selection of components and offers great image editing features. They even have additional packages and the option to upload your own logo. Durable seems to check off most of the requirements on my list. I like that it offers a 30-day free trial, although after that, it costs $15 per month to continue using the custom domain name feature. The speed is reasonable, even though it took a bit longer than expected to get everything ready. The copy generated on the first try is quite reasonable, although I couldn't input a description for my site. However, it's easy to edit with an on-page pop-up and sidebar. The selection of components is full and includes everything I need, such as a hero section, call to action, features, testimonials, FAQ, and contact us. When it comes to images, Durable makes it easy to search and select stock images, including from Shutterstock and Unsplash. Unfortunately, I couldn't easily add a call to action in time, but I might have missed the configuration. The waiting list form is an okay start, although ideally I wanted to add it as a call to action. In conclusion, Durable performs well on most of my requirements, but it falls short on my main one, which is getting free custom domain hosting. It's more tailored towards service businesses rather than startups. Still, it offers a preview before registration or subscription, streamlined domain configuration via entry, and responsive displays across web and mobile screens. It even provides an integrated CRM, invoicing, and robust analytics, making it a good choice for service-based businesses. Moving on to Butternut AI, it offers the ability to generate sites for free, but custom domain hosting comes at a cost of $20 per month. The site generation and editing process took under 10 minutes, but setting up the custom domain isn't automated yet, and I had to manually follow up on an email. This extra waiting time didn't meet my requirements. The copy provided by Butternut was comprehensive, but I had to simplify it, especially in the feature section. Editing is easy with an on-page pop-up. Like Durable, Butternut also has a full selection of components such as a header, call to action, features, testimonials, FAQ, and contact us. The images are reasonably accurate on a few regenerations, and you can even upload a custom image. Unfortunately, I couldn't easily add a call to action in the main hero section. As for the waiting list, I'm using the Contact US form as a substitute. To summarize, Butternut has a great collection of components, but it lacks a self-help flow for setting up a custom domain. It seems to focus more on small-medium businesses rather than startup ideas, which may not make it the best fit for my needs. Lastly, let's talk about 10Web. It's free to generate and preview a site, but after a 7-day trial, it costs a minimum of $10 per month. The site generation process was quick and easy, but I got stuck when it asked me to log in with my WordPress admin credentials. The copy provided was reasonably good, although editing required flipping between the edit form and the site. 10Web offers a full range of components, and during onboarding, you can select a suitable template, color scheme, and font. However, it would be even better if all these features were generated with AI. The images were automatically added to the site, which is convenient. I could see a call to action on the preview, but I wasn't able to confirm how much customization was possible. Unfortunately, I couldn't confirm if 10Web supported a waiting list feature. In summary, 10Web is a great AI website generator for those already familiar with WordPress. However, since I don't have WordPress admin credentials, I couldn't edit the AI-generated site. So, let's talk about Hostinger. They offer a bunch of features and services, some good and some not so good. Let's break it down. First of all, the not so good stuff. Hostinger doesn't offer a free custom domain, which is a bit disappointing. If you want a Hostinger branded link or a custom domain, you'll have to subscribe and pay $2.99 per month. That's not exactly a deal breaker, but it's good to know. Now on to the good stuff. Speed is a plus with Hostinger. It's easy to get a preview of your site, and you have the option to choose from 3 templates, along with different fonts and colors. That's convenient and gives you some flexibility. When it comes to the copy, it's generated by AI, but might need some tweaking to get it perfect. The same goes for images. The AI adds them, but it's not always accurate. No worries though, you can search for and add images from a stock image library. One thing that was a bit of a letdown is that it's not so easy to add a call to action in the main header section. That's a miss on their part. However, you can use the contact form as a waiting list at the bottom of the page, which is a nice alternative. In summary, Hostinger covers most of the requirements, and it's reasonably affordable compared to other options. It seems like they specialize in managed WordPress hosting and provide additional features that might come in handy down the line. That's it for our Hostinger review. Keep these pros and cons in mind when deciding if it's the right fit for you. Meta has recently unveiled SeamlessM4T, an all-in-one multilingual multimodal AI translation and transcription model. This groundbreaking technology can handle various tasks such as speech-to-text, speech-to-speech, text-to-speech, and text-to-text translations in up to 100 different languages, all within a single system. The advantage of this approach is that it minimizes errors, reduces delays, and improves the overall efficiency and quality of translations. As part of their commitment to advancing research and development, Meta is sharing SeamlessAlign, the training dataset for SeamlessM4T, with the public. This will enable researchers and developers to build upon this technology and potentially create tools and technologies for real-time communication, translation, and transcription across languages. Hugging Face has also made a significant contribution to the AI community with the release of IDEFICS, an open access visual language model, VLM. Inspired by Flamingo, a state-of-the-art VLM developed by DeepMind, IDEFICS combines the language understanding capabilities of ChatGPT with top-notch image processing capabilities. While it may not yet be on par with DeepMind's Flamingo, IDEFICS surpasses previous community efforts and matches the abilities of large proprietary models. Another exciting development comes from OpenAI, who has introduced fine-tuning for GPT-3.5 Turbo. This feature allows businesses to train the model using their own data and leverage its capabilities at scale. Initial tests have demonstrated that fine-tuned versions of GPT-3.5 Turbo can even outperform base GPT-4 on specific tasks. OpenAI assures that the fine-tuning process remains confidential and that the data will not be utilized to train models outside the client company. This advancement empowers businesses to customize ChatGPT to their specific needs, improving its performance in areas like code completion, maintaining brand voice, and following instructions accurately. Fine-tuning presents an opportunity to enhance the model's comprehension and efficiency, ultimately benefiting organizations in various industries. Overall, these developments in AI technology are significant milestones that bring us closer to the creation of universal multitask systems and more effective communication across languages and modalities. Hey there, AI enthusiasts. It's time for your daily AI update news roundup. We've got some exciting developments from Meta, Hugging Face, OpenAI, Microsoft, IBM, Salesforce, and ElevenLabs. Meta has just introduced the SeamlessM4T, a groundbreaking all-in-one multilingual multimodal translation model. It's a true powerhouse that can handle speech-to-text, speech-to-speech, text-to-text translation, and speech recognition in over 100 languages. Unlike traditional cascaded approaches, SeamlessM4T takes a single system approach, which reduces errors, delays, and delivers top-notch results. Hugging Face is also making waves with their latest release, IDEFICS. It's an open-access visual language model that's built on the impressive Flamingo model developed by DeepMind. IDEFICS accepts both image and text inputs and generates text outputs. What's even better is that it's built using publicly available data and models, making it accessible to all. You can choose from the base version or the instructed version of IDEFICS, both available in different parameter sizes. OpenAI is not to be left behind. They've just launched fine-tuning for GPT 3.5 Turbo, which allows you to train the model using your company's data and implement it at scale. Early tests are showing that the fine-tuned GPT-3.5 Turbo can rival and even surpass the performance of GPT-4 on specific tasks. In healthcare news, Microsoft and Epic are joining forces to accelerate the impact of generative AI. By integrating conversational, ambient, and generative AI technologies into the Epic electronic health record ecosystem, they aim to provide secure access to AI-driven clinical insights and administrative tools across various modules. Meanwhile, IBM is using AI to tackle the challenge of translating COBOL code to Java. They've announced the Watsonx Code Assistant for Z, a product that leverages generative AI to speed up the translation process. This will make the task of modernizing COBOL apps much easier, as COBOL is notorious for being a tough and inefficient language. Salesforce is also making headlines. They've led a financing round for Hugging Face, valuing the startup at an impressive $4 billion. This funding catapults Hugging Face, which specializes in natural language processing, to another level. And finally, ElevenLabs is officially out of beta. Their platform now supports over 30 languages and is capable of automatically identifying languages like Korean, Dutch, and Vietnamese. They're generating emotionally rich speech that's sure to impress. Well, that wraps up today's AI news update. Don't forget to check out Wondercraft AI platform, the tool that makes starting your own podcast a breeze with hyper-realistic AI voices like mine. And for all you AI Unraveled podcast listeners, Etienne Newman's book, AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence is a must-read. Find it on Shopify, Apple, Google, or Amazon today. In today's episode, we covered the top AI landing page generators, the latest updates in AI language models and translation capabilities, and exciting collaborations and investments in the tech industry. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.